All right, so we had the guys from Classic Car Studios out here in Kansas City today. They're the guys that did the interior for the Bronze truck that we had in the last couple videos. They're out of St. Louis, and they're bringing their LT5 10-speed swapped C10 they just got done with. It's called the Dirty Martini, and you'll see why it's called that here in a second. But they drove the truck by. Justin, our tuner, tuned it for them just a while ago because it's basically the same combo we've done before several times. So they called me up and said, hey, you know, can your guy tune this one as well? And so they brought the truck out here, but check this thing out, guys. It's sweet. All right, so it's a C10 truck. It's got the LT5 and the 10-speed setup in there. They did everything. It's on a Roadster Shop chassis, which is pretty dang cool. And yeah, I mean, just look at this. But this is why I say, like, Dirty Martini. I mean, look at the paint on this thing. It's all patinaed, but everything else is, I mean, everything is brand new on this thing. It's even got the old freaking farm truck mirrors on it, but then you look in the interior, it's really clean. It's all like new carpet, new seats, but the dash is all original. It's got the really cool steering wheel on it. But hold on, there's more.
Look
at this.
So you can get all the salt off the roof.
It's all electric too. The door opens up.
It's got the tie downs. You can get in right there. Pretty cool looking wheels on this thing. Made 700 on pump gas. Curtis, what do you think about this thing?
It's
pretty cool, ain't it?
Cake on it, don't you?
Yeah. Oh, look, they use the ultimate headers. They got those flanges on there.
I like the line.
Yeah, I do too. The hard lines are what's
Probably my favorite.
really nice. Yeah. Whenever I dropped off the Bronze truck, they were building this thing, and that was the first thing I noticed was the hard lines for the blower intercoolers.
I like
Our
some of
lines
the.
that we did on the red truck were pretty clean, but
I think it's like maybe like a power steering cooler or an oil
There's
cooler.
gotta be power steering.
Look how big the heat exchanger is.
it's from like a 5th gen or something like that, a 5th gen billet one or something. Yeah.
It's clean. Very cool.
They made 700 on pump gas.
I like it. It's pretty good.
How long did this truck take to build?
A year.
This took
Well,
a year.
let's say about a year and 5 months.
Wow.
Not bad.
No, it's really cool.
But the door panels and the headliner and the seat were done on
The best part about this truck is you can pull up to a car show and not have to worry about spray detailing it. It just is what it is, you know? Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to let you know whenever I post a new video. All right, guys, we got the ZR 1500 frame back from Powdercoat, and Steve did all the legwork before the Powdercoat, so that way whenever we got it back, he could just start basically bolting stuff on it, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. This thing turned out incredible, guys. This is going to be a level 3 ZR 1500, which is level 3 full coilover suspension. It's going to have an LT5 in it. 10-speed trans. I mean, basically everything that we're doing on this is brand new. We're not reusing anything on the truck except for the cab, the bed, and the interior. Well, the interior is all new in this one as well. So this is going to be like getting a brand new 1993 truck that is all basically updated with the latest and greatest stuff. But here's what it looks like so far, guys. So got the frame up on the rack right now. Steve just got the Elevated Concepts front mount on and the front rack and pinion steering. We got all that powder coated before. We have all the brand new poly mounts on here with I mean, just everything. Everything's brand new, Steve. Looks good.
If it gets reused, it gets powder coated.
That's right. Yeah. So we got all the QA1 front suspension mounts, which Steve welds on there. Doesn't just bolt them, he welds them. Puts all the new QA1 coilovers on. We got the battery relocation mount that's going to go right here. He got the mid brace all on with the drive shaft loop installed. But so far everything's just, it's coming together very quickly. Look at that Powdercoat, guys. I mean, it's just like,
Yeah, this one's nice.
it's mint. It just looks so good.
The little bit of sand that you see come out is a lot finer than the other guys. I feel like that gives it a better finish.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Whatever material they use to blast it.
Oh, he was excited.
But the rear end, I feel like the center section on the rear end looks better than the others.
Yeah, we need to get that over to Gears Unlimited so they can build that thing up.
It's ready to go.
Sweet. We'll get that out there today.
But
Man, this thing will be rolling in a few days.
Yeah, I'll have we get the front end done and get all the coilovers hanging back here, get it ready for the rear end, and
Sweet.
yeah, it'll be rolling no time. I'll have to get some tires.
Yeah, no, I'll get that today. We'll send them up to Discount Tire.
Yeah.
Got finally a different set of wheels than we've ever used, which is going to be kind of different.
Yeah,
Got the
they're
signatures.
really nice.
Yeah, guys, we'll go over there. We'll go over here and look at them right now. Just got these in the other day. There's the cab for the truck there. Look at these bad boys. Signature forged wheels with their brand new finish on there. It looks like a full chrome finish, but these are actually a coating and they're super smooth. These are going to be easy to clean. You won't have to polish them. These things are going to look really good on that bronze paint. So we'll have these on mounted up here in probably the next couple days. Got the fenders over here. We'll go over here and see what Cam's up to on this Corvette. Cam, you firewalling today?
Yup, sealing it up.
So Cam went ahead and did a full custom firewall on this C6 Corvette project he's been working on for a while. We got a plexiglass front windshield to save some weight. So he's getting all that prepped, yeah, and the rear.
Yeah, I had it all drilled and ready, waiting on my rivets to show up. But yeah, firewall's going in. The front, you can see it hanging up back there. The two front end, it's all welded.
We'll
finished.
go check it out, yeah.
Once that's all done, all I have is just downpipes and then paint. It's leaving to get all the bars.
Yeah, got to get it all looking fresh before we do a final assembly.
Yeah, I'm excited to see all that.
I want to get all the turbo stuff all coated like in a gray too.
Same.
That'd look good. So here's a full tubular front end he made. These are the headlight mounts. We got the turbo mounts over here. It's twin turbos up in the front, but Cam did all this from scratch. It looks pretty good, and it fully bolts on. You can unbolt the whole front end off this thing. So, you know, if you're ever working on it or you ever, unfortunately, you know, have a little accident at the track or something, you know, you can unbolt that and get it fixed.
Yeah.
Get it fixed.
Yeah.
Got the factory front frame horns up here, so it's still full factory suspension. Car, utilizing IRS in the rear and everything still.
Yeah, torque tube. I mean, normal that stuff.
Yep. Looking good, Cam.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Got the front 16-inch little shop brakes. These are using their billet calipers. We normally use the Willwoods. Same rotors and hats that we've been using, but these are the little shop manufacturing billet calipers. These are going to be the same exact brakes that are on the rear as well once we get the rear end back. We also got the front QA1 coilover, front upper lower A-arms, and the shocks in. Looks really nice, man. These things are massive. Looks good. Got the front QA1 sway bar. All that stuff on. Looks good. And just piecing together stuff, but so far it's looking good. Bolting on all these nice shiny parts. Chevy's got the LT5, got the cam in it, got the rockers just torqued down on it, and basically the LT5's ready to go in the chassis, or on the chassis, I should say. Waiting on a couple more little parts to show up for the cab to get on the frame, but moving right along. Got the brakes on, got all the front suspension stuff done. Started working on the back. Got the gas tank in, brand new Holley gas tank, and we're waiting on our brand new dual pump setup from Aeromotive. It's the first one they've done that fits in a factory OBS tank, so we'll have a dual pump option. That way we don't have to run the DSX low side for the fueling anymore, which is going to be kind of nice. Got our brand new 10-speed 10L90E sitting there. Gonna get the oil pan on it, and got our
Got these all assembled this morning.
brand new Harding Performance valve covers gonna go on this one. We like these valve covers, real simple. These and the Motion ones are probably the best ones.
Yeah. Big ports.
So if you guys didn't know, these engines are already DOD deleted, so we don't have to pull the head to put the cam in it. Basically, we just take the factory cam out, put a Brian Tooley Stage 2 LT4 cam in this thing, and some dual valve springs, and it's basically ready to go from that point. Make a lot of power. Harding Performance supplies us with all these really nice titanium bolts too, with the valve covers for the coil packs.
Nice stuff.
It is. It's really nice stuff.
Yep. I think I have a set for the cover too.
Yeah.
Front cover.